This match, this is the highlights of the first quarter-final. It's been a one-way traffic. A complete dominance by the services side. Penalty right at the beginning. Shafil, cool and calm, placing it to the right of the goalkeeper. His first attempt was cancelled out, had to retake it. Shahbaz Pathan, and that was the only moment Railways got closer to goal. Vijay could have made it 2-0. Subrata Murmu's back header tipped over. Samir Murmu with that classic strike. Just saw the gap. Here is the inside of the crossbar. And Khongsai, his access denied by Raja Burman, who was called into action. No such moments to talk about this half though. Shahbaz Pathan with a shot from a very difficult angle. Samir Murmu troubling Raja Burman on this occasion. And now playing that 1-2. And this was a chance which Rahul Ramkrishnan had to make it 3-0 for services, but Raja Burman with a fine save with his feet. And the header just narrowly missing off. Samir Murmu yet again could have had a double. Missed two glorious opportunities. Had the chance to complete his hat-trick. We saw Arafat Ansari of Maharashtra scoring a hat-trick in the final round. Samir Murmu could have been the hero. Just the kind of chances is wasted in this game. So end of the road then for Railways. And for services, still a lot to play for. So at full time, it's services 2, Railways 0.